In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on DLSS or FSR in Forza Horizon 6 step by step. This is a really useful setting if you want better performance, smoother gameplay, and a more stable frame rate without having to lower your visuals too much. If you've been wondering where this option is hiding, or if you accidentally kept finding DLAA instead of DLSS, don't worry, I'll walk you through it clearly. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. Once you're in Forza Horizon 6, the first thing you want to do is press escape on your keyboard. That will open the main menu. From there, click on settings. This is where all of the game's major options are stored, including controls, graphics, audio, and more. After you open settings, click on video. This is the section where you'll find the display and graphics related options for the game. It may take a moment to load depending on your system, but once you're in the video menu, you'll want to scroll down carefully. Now this next part is important. Keep scrolling until you find DLSS or FSR. These are the upscaling options that can help improve performance by rendering the game at a lower internal resolution and then boosting the final image quality. Depending on your hardware, you may see one or both of these options available. And here's the key thing to remember. This is different from DLAA. DLAA is not the same as DLSS. DLAA is a separate setting and DLSS is usually listed below it. So if you see DLAA first, just keep scrolling a little further down because DLSS is below. A lot of players miss this because they stop too early and think the option isn't there. Once you find DLSS or FSR, select the option you want to use. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, DLSS is usually the best place to start. If you're using supported AMD hardware, FSR may be the better choice. After selecting it, apply the setting and go back into the game to see the difference. If you want, you can test a few different settings to find the best balance between image quality and performance. For example, you might try a quality mode if you want sharper visuals, or a performance mode if you want higher FPS. The best option depends on your PC or console setup, your monitor, and how demanding the rest of your graphics settings are. If you don't notice the change immediately, don't panic. Sometimes you need to restart the game or re-enter the menu for the new setting to fully apply. It's also a good idea to make sure your graphics drivers are up to date, since DLSS and FSR features can work better with the latest updates. And that's it. To turn on DLSS or FSR in Forza Horizon 6, press escape, click settings, click video, then scroll down until you find DLSS or FSR. Just remember that DLSS is below DLAA, so look a little lower if you don't see it right away. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more gaming tips, and let me know in the comments if you want more quick Forza Horizon 6 guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.